Okay, in this video, I'd like to show you how to edit an existing page. Page may already have content, or in this case, it might be blank, like the test page that I have now. A quick and easy way to navigate to edit the page is just to go to your website, navigate to whatever page you want to edit, and then when you're logged in, this little edit page option will be available on this black bar. If you're not logged in, this black bar is not available. So let's go back to my test page, and if I click edit page, the editor will kick in and unlock the page. What we're looking to update is the content section, which is the white part that's down here. So normally I'd put in a heading at the top of the page, and I'm going to put in test page as my heading, and then I'm going to highlight that text, and I'm going to change the formatting of it in this little paragraph box to be a heading. When I do that, it'll increase the size like that. Not only does it look better, but it'll help with your SEO if you've got headings on pages. So I can put in some temporary content here on this page, and you'll notice the page editor operates a lot like Word. There's some minor formatting tools that are here, so we can bold it, we can center it, we can left align, and if I want to add in a separator to break the page into sections, I can put in this horizontal line and then continue down on the next page. So I can call this section 1, or this could be date or an activity or something that you've done recently. It's a really easy way of breaking the page into sections. If I want to add in a new image, I position the cursor where I want the image to go, and I click on Add Media. When I do that, it'll open the media library for the entire website, and I can select an image that's already been uploaded, or I can go to Upload Files, this little tab here, and I can upload an image from my own computer. So let's pick this one, and it'll upload the image within a few seconds, and then I can hit Insert into Page. And what it'll do is it'll add that image into the page. Now in this case, that image is not that large, but let me try and resize it and make it a little smaller anyway. When you click on the image, these 4 little locks appear on the corners, and it allows you to drag towards the center so that the image is resized. Okay, so that's fine. And if I want to put some text up against the image, I can position the cursor and type away like this. If I want to left align the text so that it appears better, I can click on the image and hit this little left align, and it will reformat the text like that. So let's retrace our steps and maybe put in a link. So if I put in a bit of text that says click here, I can highlight that text, and then I can click on this insert link icon, and then I can put in the link to wherever I want to link to. So that, and it will link to the news site. I accidentally created a link with this piece of text, and I'm going to unlink it by doing that. So again, I can continue on down. I can put in several images by clicking Add Media, and I can actually create a gallery if I wanted to. So I can select several images and upload them at any one time. Let me show you how that's done. I'll select that one, and that one. And it will upload those images to allow me to add to a gallery on that page. So now I can click on Create a New Gallery down here on the right, and it's asking me what format I want to apply the gallery. Because there's 3 images, I think it makes sense to have 3 columns. If there were more or less, you can adjust this and you'll see which way it changes the layout. So if I hit Insert Gallery, it'll add those 3 images in. I think they're a little small, so if I click anywhere on that gallery and I hit the pencil, which is the edit tool, I can go back to where I was, and over here where it says size, I can change the size to make them a little larger. Okay, let's make them larger again, and let's go for full size, and there we go. So there's the basic overview of adding content to an existing page. We've added in a header, we've added in some text, we've added in an image, and we've created a link. The last thing you need to do is just hit update. Before you do that, there is an option to roll back on previous versions. You can also preview your changes, and you can set the document to draft so that it gets unpublished if you wanted to do that. But if you wanted to republish it, you can switch it back on and hit OK. If you make any mistakes, just exit using the arrow in the top left-hand corner.